Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune report for Bob in Missouri on his RCI-69FFB4. Bob, we got it ready to go for you. It's got the high and low switch right here on the Roger beep button that will control whether the amp is on or off. Okay, if it's out, it's off. Let's go ahead and show you what we got here. RF power all the way down, 5-watt slug, 1 watt, and 3 watts wide open. That's the way you want it set, so that it would work fine with your Texas Star. Over 100 watt slug, going to show you average power swing first. Low 16 bird. Peak power. Low 40 watts peak. Flip this back off. Pull this slug out. 100 watt slug here with the 1000 watt slug here. Now we're going to engage the amplifier. Turn the RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug. That comes up to about 38 watts. We'll take and roll it all the way up. All the way up, if you decide to run it right there, it's going to be about 140 watts. Dead key. Roll it back down. Now I'm going to show you average power swing. Low, about 220 bird average. Peak power. Low, 600 peak, and that is on 14.0 volts. Which is what you said you run yours at. Alright, Bob, I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.